I've learned from this session the two teaching approaches, and that is teacher-centered approaches, which is teacher serves as an instructor, the power or control is under with them. They are the instruments to share knowledge, and while the other hand, learner-centered approaches, which they also contribute to the flow of the session. They have this freedom to ask questions they aren't aware about those learnings they want to learn. There is also a two paradigm of teacher-centered, and that is essentialism, which train our minds like reading, writing, and arithmetic. They starts our learning from these three R's. On the other hand, perennialism is to teach learners to think rationally and develop minds that can think critically. On this matter, we learn how to solve and handle certain situations. Other one I've learned are the learner-centered paradigm, the progressionism, which experimentation is the best way of teaching, which the best way of learning. Humanism helps learners to enhance the innate goodness of the individual. Reconstructionism as the idea of change, reconstructing one area of society like doing research. And lastly, constructionism, which develop personal meaning through hands-on activity based on teaching and learning. My realization is that teachers help learners to not just only to impart knowledge but also to mold them as a being, while learners not just only to accept what was teachers shared but also to apply it and contributes of what they've already learned. Progressionism paradigm is a teaching I want to adhere to my learners when I employed as a future teacher. Why? It is because I believe that through this process of learning, through experiences, learners practice themselves to grow individually.